Hey there, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the place where we talk about all things motorcycles, gear, and anything else that revs your engine. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our latest reviews, comparisons, and bike breakdowns. Now let's jump right into today's video where we're going to explore one of the most anticipated motorcycles of 2025, the Honda CB450N. Let's go. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast like me, you know that every year brings something new to the table, something that pushes the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. But there are always a few bikes that stand out more than the others. And for 2025, one bike that's already making a lot of waves is the Honda CB450N. This bike is packed with features that are sure to excite both seasoned riders and newcomers alike. Whether you're into sport bikes, cruiser-style motorcycles, or something in between, the CB450N blends performance, looks, and practicality in a way that Honda has perfected over the years. So let's dive deep into everything we know about the 2025 Honda CB450N, from its design to its performance and the technology packed inside it. Trust me, you're going to want to hear all about this one. Let's start with the looks, because we all know first impressions matter. The 2025 Honda CB450N comes with a striking new design that draws inspiration from both modern aesthetics and Honda's rich history of building motorcycles that resonate with riders across generations. The CB450N has a sleek, muscular stance that's impossible to ignore. One of the first things you'll notice is the aggressive, sharp lines of the bodywork. The front end has a minimalistic approach with a sharp headlamp design, incorporating LED lighting to give it a modern look while still maintaining that classic Honda charm. It's that perfect balance between sportiness and elegance, all wrapped into one. The fuel tank is nicely sculpted, flowing smoothly into the seat. Honda has definitely kept ergonomics in mind here, with a tank shape that allows for a comfortable ride while also providing that aggressive look that sport bike riders love. The rear end is equally well crafted, with a tail section that's designed to be both aerodynamic and visually appealing. It's compact and clean, with a small fender and an undermount exhaust that completes the aggressive aesthetic. But let's not forget the frame. The 2025 CB450N uses a steel tube frame that's been carefully crafted for strength, rigidity, and handling. This frame helps keep the bike both lightweight and durable, ensuring that it performs well in tight corners and open highways alike. Now let's talk about the heart of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2025 Honda CB450N is powered by a brand new liquid-cooled 450cc parallel twin engine. This is the kind of engine that's not just about raw power, it's about balance. Honda has focused on delivering smooth, linear power that makes this bike equally capable of everyday commuting and weekend rides. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, providing a good balance of low-end torque and top-end performance. At low revs, the bike feels comfortable and stable, making it an excellent option for city riding. But when you open the throttle, the CB450N shows its true potential with plenty of grunt to accelerate quickly and take on twisty roads with ease. Honda has also focused on improving fuel efficiency with this engine. You can expect excellent mileage, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to ride long distances without having to stop at every fuel station. And of course, with Honda's reputation for reliability, you can rest assured that this engine will stand the test of time. The engine also features a high compression ratio, which helps with better thermal efficiency and reduced emissions. This makes the CB450N a more eco-friendly option compared to some of its competitors in the same segment. When it comes to performance, handling is just as important as raw power. The 2025 Honda CB450N doesn't disappoint. The bike comes equipped with fully adjustable suspension components, including a telescopic fork in the front and a monoshock setup in the rear. This allows riders to tailor the suspension to their personal preferences, whether you're looking for a smoother ride for city streets or a stiffer setup for sportier riding on twisty mountain roads. The front fork has 40 mm diameter tubes, providing excellent stability and control, while the rear monoshock is designed to handle a variety of road conditions, offering good comfort while also keeping the bike responsive during aggressive riding. One of the key features here is the new lighter alloy wheels, which reduce unsprung weight and contribute to quicker handling and improved responsiveness. The combination of the suspension setup and the lightweight wheels means that the CB450N is agile, yet stable at higher speeds. Whether you're carving through city traffic or hitting the open road, this bike feels confident and composed. Stopping power is another important aspect to consider, and Honda has equipped the 2025 CB450N with a set of high-performance brakes to handle the bike's power. The front end is outfitted with a large 310 mm disc brake paired with a radial mount caliper, while the rear features a 240 mm disc brake. The combination of these ensures strong, consistent stopping power in all conditions. But Honda has gone above and beyond in terms of safety features. The CB450N comes with a suite of modern braking technologies, including ABS anti-lock braking system as standard. This feature is incredibly helpful when braking in wet or slippery conditions, preventing the wheels from locking up and giving you better control in emergency situations. In addition to ABS, the bike is equipped with a traction control system. This system is designed to prevent the rear wheel from spinning out of control when accelerating hard, especially in adverse weather conditions. Whether you're riding in rain, snow, or simply pushing the bike hard on a dry road, these safety features ensure a secure and controlled ride. Moving on to technology, Honda doesn't skimp when it comes to making sure their bikes are equipped with the latest and greatest gadgets. The 2025 CB450N is no exception. At the heart of the bike is a fully digital instrument cluster that's easy to read and packed with useful information. The display includes the basics like speed, fuel level, and gear position, but Honda has also integrated more advanced features like a trip computer, real-time fuel efficiency tracking, and even a tachometer with a shift light. The display is customizable, allowing you to switch between different modes depending on what information you need. One standout feature on the CB450N is the inclusion of smartphone connectivity. The bike comes with a Bluetooth system that allows you to connect your phone to the bike's display. This enables you to access navigation, music, and even take calls while keeping your hands safely on the handlebars. Honda has also made improvements to the lighting on the bike, incorporating full LED lighting for the headlights, taillights, and indicators. These LEDs not only improve visibility for night riding, but also add to the overall modern look of the bike. Now, let's talk about comfort. Whether you're commuting every day or taking the bike on a weekend adventure, comfort plays a big role in how much you enjoy your ride. The 2025 CB450N has been designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring that both new riders and experienced enthusiasts feel at ease. The seat is designed to be both supportive and comfortable, with just the right amount of cushioning for longer rides without sacrificing sportiness. The riding position is upright and relaxed, making the CB450N a great option for both city commuting and longer tours. The handlebars are positioned for a natural grip, and the foot pegs are placed in a way that doesn't put strain on your legs during longer rides. Even if you're tackling tight corners or leaning into turns, the ergonomics of the bike help you feel in control and comfortable. So what's the damage when it comes to pricing? The 2025 Honda CB450N is expected to hit the market at a price point that's competitive within the 450cc segment. While prices can vary depending on your location and any additional features or packages you choose, you can expect it to be priced around $6,500 USD, making it a fantastic value for what you're getting. Given its performance, design, and technology, it's positioned as a middleweight motorcycle that doesn't break the bank but still offers an incredible riding experience. Expect it to be available in dealerships sometime in the spring of 2025, so mark your calendars. To wrap things up, the 2025 Honda CB450N is shaping up to be an incredibly exciting release. With its sleek design, powerful engine, advanced features, and excellent handling, it's a bike that's designed to appeal to a wide range of riders. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend warrior, or someone who just loves the thrill of the open road, the CB450N offers something for everyone. It's clear that Honda has put a lot of thought and effort into creating a motorcycle that combines performance with practicality, style with safety, and technology with tradition. If you're looking for a versatile, fun-to-ride, and feature-packed bike in 2025, the CB450N should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you're as excited as I am about the upcoming 2025 Honda CB450N. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle news, reviews, and updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until next time, ride safe, keep the rubber side down, and I'll see you in the next video.